Sneeze inside a space helmet? You might think the blast would just disappear somewhere. But the helmet is completely sealed, meaning every drop of that sneeze mist stays right there in your tiny bubble of air. Now, yes, your suit does have airflow systems that suck in dirty air and push in clean air, but they can't magically erase sneeze droplets instantly, so for a few seconds, you're just floating in space, staring at a slimy sneeze cloud you created yourself. Basically, it's you, your helmet, and your own sneeze, swirling around like a tiny, disgusting snow globe.